Hey Scorpio, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of June. For a lot of you guys, I feel like somebody new. You met somebody new, right? And Spirit is saying that it is safe for you to love, like, and let's just say if you haven't met this person, I feel like there's somebody that's getting ready to come in. But Spirit wants you to know, like, please don't have any fear. They want you just to kind of like go with the flow. Just like, for real, just relax, okay? This person is different from anybody else that you've dated in the past. And they do want you to know it is safe for you to love them. I feel like you guys are going to develop romantic feelings. And you're soon going to realize, like, he or she is the one for me. Now, and remember, I did see getting to know each other. I'm telling you, so take it slow. Go with the flow. Just, hey, have fun. But others of you guys, this could be someone that you've been dealing with for a while. And I do feel like if they haven't come back to speak their truth just yet, they're getting ready to. But they want you to know that it is safe for you to love them, just go around. Like, they're done playing games. They know that you're it. The feelings are real. They're wanting to move things forward. So, Scorpio, I'm liking what I'm seeing already. So, let's definitely just hop in. I'm liking this energy. Let's hope it stays consistent. Alright guys, let's see. I swear daylight saving time is like messing with me. I ain't gonna lie. Anyway. Alright, Spirit. What's going on with my Scorpios, please? Alright, here we go, guys. Bottom of the deck, I have the King of Cups. So somebody could be dealing with another water sign. Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But I am feeling like somebody's emotional here. Somebody's upset, whether it's you. It could be this person that I was picking up on. You know, if this is somebody that you guys have been dealing with. I feel like they're upset with themselves because they want to come back and fix things with you. But others of you guys, if you freed yourself from the past and you met someone new or there's someone new coming in, I feel like this could be your energy where you're emotional, you're upset because it's like, dang, nothing seems to work out in my favor. But I'm telling you guys, either which way, stay hopeful, stay positive. Look at that, Ace of Pentacles. I'm telling you, something that you want is coming. There's an offer here, you guys, coming in. You guys deserve it. Look at that. Communication is coming in. So I'm still seeing it both ways. Either for some of you guys, I'm telling you, there's somebody new coming in. They're going to give you the offer that you deserve, okay? They're going to talk to you. Now, for others of you guys, if you've been dealing with somebody in the past, they're coming back if they haven't already because they're going to talk to you. Some of you guys could be dealing with the Gemini. But if not, I'm telling you, it's a love offer. You know, and it's just like, if this is somebody from the past, they don't want to argue with you anymore. I'm still, y'all, just bear with me. I'm still seeing it both ways, trying to see which way it's going to go. But if it's somebody from the past, they don't want to argue with you anymore. This person is not confused. They're not battling themselves. For the ones that, you know, somebody new is coming in, I do feel like they are going to give you that love offer. And this is you guys not putting up a fight. You guys not battling yourself. You're like, you know what? I deserve this. You know, I've been put through a lot. Let me just see what he or she is talking about. So, look at that. Told you, you're not looking back at the past. You're done. You guys are moving forward. In order for things to improve, Scorpio, y'all, I love this energy. This looks really, really good. I'm excited for you guys. Come on, birthday season. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, let's see. Let's see. Look at that. Somebody's not happy. Clarify the sun in reverse, please. Ooh. Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces, but I do feel like either the truth is coming out or somebody's coming to speak their truth. Yeah. Well, why is the Tower here? Hold on. I can go two ways. Clarify the Tower, please. I feel what tried to come out was the Eight of Swords. I'm feeling like somebody's frustrated because this is the past person I'm picking up on. They're coming back to speak their truth. I feel like they had an epiphany about you guys, which is why they know you're the one. They need to stop playing games. But see, they're frustrated within themselves. Tell me more. Clarify the Tower, please. Yeah, see, look at that. Somebody's not using their intuition. Tell me more. It's more so up for me. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But see, look at that. I'm telling y'all, Spirit is saying that they want you to stay positive. Whether this is the past person or this is someone new coming in. But, I'm picking up past energy here. So, sorry, y'all. This is the past person I'm picking up on now. I do feel like this person, whoever messed up in the past, I do feel like they look at you as a blessing, but at the same time, y'all don't play no games. Like, this person is a very fiery, passionate person, and whoever messed up, they're afraid that you're not going to accept this offer from them. Yeah, see, look, they can't sleep. They're worried. They are worried. They messed up, guys. Tell me more. But the good thing is, look at that. They're coming out of being frustrated. Coming out of being in their head. And look, someone's making a decision here. Tell me more. But they're back and forth with the hangman. See, I do feel like whoever this is, they're not, I'm telling y'all, they're not confused. They know that they want to be with you. The problem is they're having a hard time speaking their truth to you or trying to figure out how to move things forward because they messed up in the past. Tell me more. This person definitely stabbed you in the back, and they're hoping that you can forgive them. They're hoping that you've healed from what they've done. Some of you guys could be dealing with the Sagittarius, but this person, I'm telling you, they didn't bring any balance to the situation, and this is why they're afraid, you know, that if you guys had a family together, it's a wrap. Like, they're afraid that you're done. If you guys don't have a family, they're just afraid that you don't want to become one with them. You don't want to have a family. Everything that you guys have talked about in the past is done. Tell me more. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries. Why is the Emperor here? Because I'm going to tell you, when this card first... Yeah, see, I knew it. Okay, what I was about to say... I was going to say, when this card first jumped out, I felt like a controlling energy. So maybe the person that you guys are thinking about, this person was very controlling, very manipulative, just that stubborn energy. And when this came out, it just confirmed that this person is very immature, or they were being very immature, very childish in the past. It was like their way or their way, okay? Tell me more. Yeah, see? This is why they're afraid. You don't want to have a new opportunity with them. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo. I mean, I have fire. Just straight. I mean, wow. So somebody is definitely dealing with a fire sign. See? Sagittarius, Aries, Leo. Or somebody has a lot of fire in their chart. But I do feel like this person is trying to have the strength to come towards you. Tell me more. Somebody, I'm telling y'all, somebody's healing. Somebody's healing from being betrayed, being sad. Maybe the person that you were dealing with could have taken a financial hit somewhere. Maybe they're trying to get out of that, save money, but back and forth with the Seven of Cups. See, it's like this person in the past, I feel like they had a lot of options, and right now they're trying to make a decision on how to come back towards you, how to offer you this love offer, but see, they don't know what to do. They don't know how you're going to take this. Somebody could have been dealing with a Taurus, but at the end of the day, they feel like you don't want to have a commitment with them. If you guys are married, somebody feels like you're wanting out of this marriage. See, this person is afraid you don't want to have a new beginning. Tell me more. But see, I'm telling y'all, this person wants a commitment with you. They do want a relationship, and they're going to tell you. They're finally going to get the guts to come towards you and speak their truth, to let you know that they do want to have a new opportunity with you. But they're back and forth with the Knight of Wands. It's like, I'm telling y'all, this person wants to rush in to tell you this, but at the same time, they're not. They're holding back out of fear. But see, they know that they have to put in the work to win you back. Justice, look, and they have to speak their truth. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. Clarify. Oh, okay. Somebody has to speak their truth about something that took place in the past. It could be a family situation here. Tell me more. Maybe somebody, it's a lot of y'all, so just take whatever I'm about to say. Just apply it, okay, to your situation. But I'm feeling like there's definitely some type of truth coming out about a family situation for some of you guys. For others of you, somebody's having to get out of a legal situation. For others of you, if that doesn't apply, I'm really just picking up this person has to come towards you and speak the truth about what they did in the past, because this person that you were dealing with was being a player. And see, it's like they did have you waiting. They're coming out of that energy. They don't want you to wait anymore. See, they're going to make a decision. For some, I'm telling y'all, some of them, if it is a legal situation going on, I do feel like they're waiting on like a court decision. It's like some type of family situation. I'm picking up like 3 different ways. So y'all, like I said, just take whatever fits. But this individual does want to have a family with you. They want to have stability. They want to have a happy home. Tell me more. But they're back and forth with the Magician. One minute, I feel like they're trying to manifest you. They're trying to stay positive. But the next minute, they're not. They're not at all because of what they did. They feel like the seeds that they planted with you, they want them to grow, Scorpio. Somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. But this person doesn't want you to cut them off. Tell me more. But see, they didn't bring balance in the past. Y'all were doing everything. Look at that. Y'all know I see 1111. So some of you guys are definitely dealing with a soulmate twin flame situation. But I do feel like this person, again, they made a decision about you. But see, this is fear. They know what they want, but at the same time, they're not saying anything. There's no action because they're afraid that they can't turn things around with you. See? Somebody's emotional. Look at that. I'm telling y'all, they feel like they're not going to have a victory with you. Y'all, I feel like it's some type of family situation going on here. It's something with family. I don't know if family if like you guys have a family with each other and it's just causing a lot of like issues, or you guys were together and there was like family interfering. It's something like that. I'm telling you, it's something with family. Whether it's like mother, sister, brother, father, baby mama. It's something. It's something pertaining to family. And that's why this person is stuck trying to make a decision. I mean, that card literally flew. I mean, it flew. Hold on. I mean, it flew. Are you really doing this to me today? And I see how it landed. Hold on, y'all. It flew behind my desk. Okay, let's see. This person, sorry, y'all. Oh, this person definitely left you out in the cold. I'm telling you, it's some type of family situation I'm picking up on. And they're hoping that, again, you've healed. You can forgive them. See, because they were being sneaky. This person was definitely being sneaky in the past. And this is why they're afraid you're not going to accept their offer. Look at that. But they want a new beginning with you. Clarify the Empress. Clarify the Empress. And they're confident. I'm telling y'all, this person knows that they want to be with you. But see, they feel stuck in a codependent situation. Okay, so for some of you guys, remember I keep mentioning family. So this next part what I'm about to say is not for everybody. So don't be sitting here like about to kill someone, okay? Because what I'm about to say. Listen, for some of you guys, I feel like you know that whoever you were dealing with either had another child or, got someone pregnant outside of your relationship, or it could be vice versa. There's a pregnancy here. And this is why this person feels stuck in a codependent situation. But others of you, this could be like their mother. I'm telling y'all, it's something pertaining to family. There's definitely some interference here, and that's why there's been codependency. This is why you two were having a hard time trying to move forward. Tell me more. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. Clarify the Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, see? I'm telling y'all, they could have been dealing with an earth sign, or this person could have earth in their chart, but I'm really picking up like they have to remove themselves from a third-party situation. Maybe they were dealing with someone, and now this person is after them for finances. Remember, I told y'all, I felt like for some of you guys, there is some type of legal situation that this person's trying to get out of. They're waiting for the court to make some type of decision. So, and right now, that's why they're not moving forward, because this person has to go through lessons. They're going through their lessons right now. Tell me more. But see, they're getting advice because they do want to take a leap to come and fix things with you, but right now, they're not. They're dragging their feet. They do want things to improve with you, but they want things to improve financially for them if they're having to pay this individual here, or if they've been given to this individual here. They're trying to find some type of balance. And I feel like right now, they're scared that they lost you for good. Some of you guys are dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra, but yeah, I do feel like they think you cut them off for good, Scorpio. Back and forth with the Nine of Pentacles. See, this person knows whatever this third party codependent situation is up here, they have to free themselves.